just heard this story, but please bear with me. I am sad to say that I personally contributed to over 10,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide emissions this year, just by taking 20 flights. But what if I told you there was a way to power planes from the pollution that it produces? I'm Shivani, co-founder of Atierra, where we are transforming CO2 into biofuels to fuel planes using microalgae. We offer refiners carbon dioxide-derived bio-oils, where they can convert the oils into sustainable aviation fuel at a price of €1,000 per ton, projected at our pilot scale. We also offer a path where we can use the wastewater and carbon dioxide that they emit to produce our oils to create a fully circular system, as well as creating high-quality oils that are on par with palm oil, having consistent and stable supply. Our beachhead market is very focused to Northern European SAF refiners. Why? We all heard today that there is a huge demand for SAF. These companies in Northern Europe have the plantations today to convert oils to SAF. What they don't have is a cheap, clean, stable supply of oils that they can plug into their systems. That's where we come in, and that's how we want to scale to Europe, to the world, and we don't want to stop there. We can use the same technology and produce different ingredients and penetrate into the biotech and cosmetic space. Currently, we are projecting to be cost competitive with the other feedstock oils, but are projecting and working really hard to bring down the costs in the near future. But what we offer is a very high quality oil to replace legacy feedstocks, where we are projecting to reduce 50% pretreatment costs, reduce 20% of hydrogen demands, and completely eliminate competition from food and biodiesel that the other feedstocks suffer from. How we do that? We take nature's powerhouse, microalgae, and we control how they grow. We supply them with carbon dioxide, nutrients, and sunlight in a very specific recipe controlled by AI, where we grow the cells faster and also to produce more specific high-quality oils. We take the cells, extract the oils, supply it to the refiners. When we started, you will be surprised, we were actually exploring the cosmetic space. We were very sad to learn low-carbon oils is a nice-to-have and not urgent. During our customer discovery, we were actually approached by ANA, Japan's leading airlines, and asked us, have we ever considered the SAF space? That's when the light bulb hit, and we started digging deeper. We understood the demand, the cost issues, and then identified our true customers are actually the refiners. Then we talked to Honeywell, UOP, and Total Energies, which we are building early relationships for our proof of concept. We know that this space is highly commodity driven. We know that the prices are fixed, margins are low. So what we are working towards is reducing how we produce the oils. So our key drivers are the first partnerships that we're able to achieve, as well as how we scale up our technology to drive down costs. We know our oils are high quality, but we also know that we have the potential to be carbon neutral and even carbon negative. And we also completely eliminate the land and water demand that other oils such as palm oil and camelina oil have. In addition, we eliminate deforestation because our microalgae can grow anywhere. We are also opening up jobs in aquaculture spaces throughout coastal ecosystems. I'm Shivani, a scientist and entrepreneur, and we built this company as a team of scientists driven to make an impact on the climate. We were actually recently joined by Richard, who has extensive experience in the airline space. We met them through ClimateLaunchpad Japan, and we're hoping the next person can be you. Thank you.